Welcome to Soulawa. In this short guide, we'll show you how to quickly sign in and start exploring our artisan marketplace. Let's get started. This is the Soulawa homepage. Look at the top right corner where the green arrow points. Click on Sign In to begin creating your account. Enter your email address, then choose whether you're a customer or a vendor. This helps us set up your account correctly. Fill in your details to complete registration. Enter your first name, last name, and if you're a vendor, your shop name. Make sure all information is correct before continuing. Welcome to Soulawa. Let's get you started with a quick setup wizard to configure your basic account settings. It only takes a few moments and will help you make the most of your marketplace experience. Now let's set up your store. Add your shop details, upload your logo, and customize your profile so buyers can easily find and recognize your brand. Next, let's set up payments. Buyers pay you directly through Stripe Connect, and once your account is connected, you'll automatically receive payments after each sale. Soulawa doesn't handle or hold any money. A Stripe account is required to sell on Soulawa. It's secure, easy to set up, and lets you receive payments globally. For your security, Stripe requires two-step authentication. Simply scan the QR code with your preferred authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. This extra step keeps your account safe and ensures only you can access it. Now you'll begin the Stripe setup process. If you're completing this form on behalf of a business, it must be filled out by the business owner or someone with significant management responsibility. This ensures that the account is verified and secure. Choose the Stripe account you want to connect to Soulawa Vendor. Then click the button to continue. You've successfully connected your Stripe account to Soulawa. Your payment setup is now complete, and you're ready to receive payouts automatically after each sale. Click Continue to finalize your setup. Congratulations, your store setup is complete. Click below to go to your store dashboard, where you can manage your products, orders, and settings.